Ever feel like your team's drowning in a sea of sticky notes, spreadsheets, and endless emails? Tasks pile up, deadlines loom, and communication feels like a game of telephone gone wrong. Frustrating, right? You're not alone. Countless teams struggle with the same issue: a lack of organization and a clear way to track progress. There are project management tools out there, sure, but many feel clunky, inflexible, or built for a bygone era. So what makes Monday.com different? The answer lies in its core philosophy: simplicity, flexibility, and fostering a collaborative environment. Let's dive deeper. Number 1. Goodbye confusion, hello clarity. Imagine a world where everyone on your team sees exactly what needs to be done, by whom, and when. No more hunting down information in cluttered email threads or deciphering cryptic spreadsheet formulas. Monday.com replaces that chaos with intuitive boards. These visually appealing workspaces are fully customizable. Think of them as digital whiteboards where you can organize your projects using columns and items. Here's the beauty: you define what goes in those columns. Need a column for deadlines, priorities, or assign team members? Done. Want to add a file attachment or a progress bar to an item? Easy. Monday.com adapts to your workflow, not the other way around. This level of customization ensures everyone's on the same page. Deadlines are clear, responsibilities are defined, and project progress is crystal clear. Number 2. From spreadsheets to stunning simplicity. Spreadsheets can be powerful tools, but they can also be a nightmare for collaboration. Data gets siloed, versions multiply, and errors lurk around every corner. Monday.com eliminates that headache. It lets you ditch the spreadsheets for a user-friendly interface that's as intuitive as dragging and dropping. Update a deadline? Simply move the item's due date. Assign a task? Drag and drop it onto the team members' board section. This ease of use translates to save time and fewer headaches. Teams can spend less time wrestling with the tool and more time getting things done. Number 3. Collaboration made easy. Communication without chaos. Imagine a world where project discussions happen seamlessly within the context of the work itself. No more jumping between email threads, instant messaging apps, and endless meetings. Monday.com fosters collaboration by integrating communication directly into your boards. Team members can comment on specific tasks, share files, and have focused discussions directly where the work resides. This keeps everyone in the loop and eliminates the potential for miscommunication. Number 4. Automation, your superpower for efficiency. Feeling bogged down by repetitive tasks? Monday.com can help. It features a powerful automation engine that lets you automate repetitive workflows, saving you and your team valuable time. Imagine automatically sending notifications when a task is completed, assigning resources based on predefined criteria, or triggering alerts when deadlines approach. These automated workflows streamline processes and keep your team moving forward. Number 5. A world of integrations. Power up your workflow. Monday.com isn't an island. It integrates seamlessly with a wide range of popular tools you already use, like Dropbox, Google Drive, Slack, and Zoom. This means you can pull data from other platforms, trigger workflows based on external events, and keep all your project information centralized. It's the end of data silos and the beginning of a truly unified work experience. Beyond the basics, a platform that grows with you. Monday.com isn't just a project management tool. It's a platform that adapts to your evolving needs. With a wide range of pre-built templates for specific industries and teams, marketing, sales, HR, etc., you can get started quickly and easily. But the true power lies in its customizability. As your needs change, you can tailor your boards, automations, and integrations to perfectly fit your workflows. Monday.com, it's more than just a project management tool. So what sets Monday.com apart? It's more than just a project management tool. It's a platform designed to empower teams, eliminate communication headaches, and streamline workflows. It's about bringing clarity, flexibility, and collaboration to the forefront of your work experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.